All right, so today we just wanted to talk a little bit about the way the weather change affects your lead acid battery. So whether it be in an old tractor, a lot of old cars, motorcycles, forklifts, all you solar energy guys, we all understand that the best battery for your energy storage is a lead acid battery. But the temperatures, being the difference between warm and cold, affect your battery in different ways. A lot of people believe the cold weather, you go to get in your car, it's super cold out, it cranks and cranks. That's really hard on your battery, but what people don't take into account is that during these hot summer days, it will actually evaporate the electrolyte in your battery. It'll cause corrosion because of not enough electrolyte in there. But all these different weather changes affect your battery. So one of the best things you can do is just check your electrolyte, keep monitoring. A lot of your batteries have little windows on the side so you can see full to low on your electrolyte. And it's, just a little tip today to just keep an eye on that. It'll make your battery last a lot longer and ultimately keep more money in your pocket.